Hey guys, today we're going to look at how to prepare and work on powerlifters. This can be a really tough client to work with because they're obviously so big and strong that traditional massage, stretching doesn't tend to work very well. We're going to use 3 different techniques today. Some of the stronger techniques we have to really create that change in the body, and we're just going to come over in here and look at the setup that we're doing so far. So firstly, we're using a concept called neuromuscular stimulation. So we're using a machine to help to promote movement of the hammies and the glutes. A lot of the time, based on sitting, we become quite dormant within our posterior muscles. So this is helping to just activate them and fire those muscles. With the shoulders, what we're going to do is we're going to do some traditional cupping. Here at Pure Activation, we just use suction cupping, and we're looking to do this just to create a releasing effect through the shoulders. And by creating the release away from the body, we are creating loose and spaced out muscles that create nice movements through the shoulders. So we've got 4 here on the shoulder, and we're going to get 4 on the other side. I've already prepared a little bit of cream just to get on these spots. So cupping is actually relatively painless. It's just creating that effect of pulling away. And we're just placing the last 2 on here. So we can already see a little bit of color starting to develop. We're going to come back at the end of the session and check out the color here on that part of the body. Okay, so now we're looking at maybe 5 minutes post of what we've done, and we're starting to see some of the color coming out of the cups. Now this is a really good sign. All of the cups are looking similar. They've got that red color. It's almost like doing an oil change on a car. We're pulling the tightness to the surface, and this is releasing the blood out of the muscle, and this is really good at detoxifying the muscle and creating a really good recovery process. What I'm going to do on top of that is I'm going to start working with the scraping. So this is traditionally called gua sha, and this is where we release the toxins by doing a scraping effect, which works more effectively in some parts of the body. So I'm going to do a little bit of work here, just creating the effect that we're after. So what we're going to get here is similar to the cupping. We're getting the release of the toxins coming to the surface. This is a really positive way of creating a release that allows the body to detoxify, and at the same time we are loosening the muscles. It's basically like doing massage, but we're creating a really strong effect. As we can see now, we're starting to get some of the sha, the release coming out, which is great, and that's now detoxifying and loosening that muscle. At the same time, we've got the neuromuscular stimulation, which is still firing on his muscles. So we've got 3 different techniques all working at the same time here. Okay guys, so we're at the end of the session here. We've had a really good result. We've got some really wonderful color here in the cups. Again, the darker means that we've got that stagnicity, and so we're pulling that out to the surface, and that's going to be now released throughout the system. This is great for overall health, but it's great for pain relief, and it's also great for sports performance. We've got the release that we've done here with the gua sha, which has really helped to loosen up that rib area, and we're just finishing off on the EMS. So we're just going to get the release on the cups now. Just pressure release, and now we're just seeing that result that comes underneath. Exactly what we want, flushing all that to the surface and creating a really good result there. Awesome. Okay, so this is a great session on how to really do some strong work on a powerlifter. Again, I haven't had to really work too hard because I'm letting the machines and the tools do the work for me. Okay, we'll catch you in the next video.